We are back with another great gift idea.
It's our maple sugar nuts. Come bake with us. First step, grab a heavy pot.
And to it, we're gonna add 3/4 cups of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of white sugar.
Add 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. We like using Canadian maple syrup.
What's that, eh?
A tablespoon of water, a teaspoon of cinnamon.
Grabbing your grown-up, you're gonna bring this pot to the stove on medium-high heat and you're going to stir it until the sugar dissolves. So once your sugar has dissolved completely, you're gonna get a large bowl and fill it
With 3 cups of your favorite nuts. And then you're gonna add that yummy liquid all on top. And then stir it up, making sure to get every nut covered.
So once every single nut is coated with that yummy sugar, we're gonna dump it onto a pan that's lined with parchment paper. Now you wanna spread out your nuts in a nice even layer.
Last step, sprinkle your warm nuts with cinnamon sugar. Now we do have to wait for these to harden, about 30 minutes to an hour.
Aw, nuts! Once you've let that sugar harden, it's time to package this gift up. Happy holidays, we'll see you next week. Maybe you? Aw.